Hi, my name is Holly, and today I'm going to do a presentation on the probabilities and Bayes' theorem. First of all, let's start with a bit of history. So the Bayes' theorem is a simple but powerful idea in probabilities named after Reverend Thomas Bayes. He is an English mathematician living in the 18th century. He didn't publish the theorem during his lifetime, but his notes were later edited and published in 1763 by Richard Price. The theorem provides a way to update our beliefs or probabilities about something as we get new information. In simple terms, it helps us figure out the likelihood of an event happening based on the prior knowledge and new evidence. So to answer a basic question, what is probability? Probability is a measure of chance of something happening in a number between 0 and 1. 0 means the event will never happen. 1 means the event will definitely happen. Numbers in between like 0.5 means there's a 50% chance, but it's not guaranteed. The next subject to learn is the conditional probability. And what is it? It's a chance of something happened if we already know something else has happened. This particular method relies on the event A occurring with some sort of relation with another event B. Now, after we are familiar with the probability and conditional probability, we are ready to move on the Bayes' theorem. So imagine you are trying to guess the likelihood of something, and then new information comes in. Bayes' theorem helps you to adjust your guess based on that new information, and the formula looks like this. Let's familiar Bayes' theorem more with a mathematical example. So suppose a learning algorithm is trying to identify whether the pictures are human-faced. When running on training examples, if the input picture is human, the algorithm correctly identifies it 90% of the time. If the input is non-human, the machine incorrectly classifies it as a human 20% of the time. Now consider a random photo from a training set with an equal proportion of human and non-human photos. The algorithm identifies the photo as human. What is the probability that the picture is actually human? We have two set events here. Let H represent the event that the photo is human, and let P represent the event that the algorithm identified the input as human. We want to find out the probability of H given P, the probability that the photo is a human, given that the algorithm identifies it as a human. So to do this, we apply Bayes' theorem. Next, we will substitute the value provided. The probability of P given H is 0.9. Since there's a 90% chance of identifying the input as human if it's indeed human, since the dataset is an equal proportion, the value is 0.5. Finally, the probability of P given H complement is 0.2 because there's a 20% chance of misclassifying a non-human photo as human. After substituting this value, we will get a probability that the photo is actually human is approximately 81.8%. Bayes' theorem can be used in many ways in our real world: medical diagnosis, data science, spam filter, search engine, weather forecasting, and investment analysis. To sum up, the Bayes' theorem is a strong foundation for reasoning in the face of uncertainty. It allows us to make a better decision in complex scenarios. Here is the reference used for this presentation. And many thanks for your time. Have a nice day.